Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Relapse Tackle. I'm going to show how I add the stainless steel wire and what wire I use to add a little extra hold to jigs with the skirt material, the silicone skirts. The rubber band tends to dry out over time, and then the silicone skirt material just kind of lays in your tackle box. So I always add a little stainless wire to it to just extend the life of it a little bit more. So this is the wire I use from Granger. It's the 16Y044. I'll leave a link in the description for all these items. But let's get into it. So it's pretty soft wire, so I pull out a little bit, probably about 2 inches, and then I cut it, and then I've got a whole bunch of them already made up. But so I'll just show that. So what I do is I grab it in the middle there, and then I just fold it over, so I make a U out of it. And then I'll just grab one of these skirted jigs up here. So I separate, flip it upside down and make it so that they lay, so I'm able to just slide this guy through without catching any of the pieces of silicone. So then you have it like that. And then I take my smooth jaw jeweler's pliers, kind of pinch it here, get them a little closer. And then I just give her a few twists until she's pretty snug on there. Try to keep that wire in the center of that rubber band. Okay, so it's pretty tight there. See, a lot of people wrap several times around and then tie it. I'd rather do it this way. Just one piece of stainless is fine. And then what I'll do is I'll bend it back a little bit. Not all the way, but I bend it back a little ways. And then I'll cut this off here. I'm gonna actually go over and cut it over the trash can. Actually, nah, I'll just cut it here. I tend to shoot it in the trash can, that way it doesn't fly all over my shot. But it's a little harder to cut when there's multiple, but those 2 pieces of wire somewhere. So I still have like 3 wraps around even after I cut it, and then I'll go in with my smooth jaw pliers carefully, and then kind of smash it down the rest of the way so that I kind of bury that end a little bit back, because I don't want things to get snagged on it, and I don't want anybody to get poked on it either. So I got it kind of buried down inside there a little bit. And then this is one of the skirt tabs that I put together too. So, and then I painted this one with the black Stardust. So it's pretty shiny, really durable, with the stainless wire added on there. This sucker should last a good long time. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and watch out for more videos.